for today's craft we need these 4 colors. So first we will mix black with brown to get the darker shade of brown. Now we will roll the circles with the help of ruler. So make sure that you are not pressing this with lot of pressure. Please be gentle with your hands. Now we will turn this into rope. Just twist it with your gentle hands. Then we will attach one rope on another. So we also have to cover our bottom part. For that here I am using brown clay. So after covering our bottom part, our basket is ready. Now for the flower I will use a simple procedure which you can see in the video. So I will stick 5 rounds together to make a single flower. Now you have to fill bottom of your basket with other clay and then we have to stick the flowers. And that's it, our flower basket is ready.